Welcome to the Goldschmidt abstract preparation tutorial. To prepare your abstract, go to the conference website and click on the abstract image on the home page. Follow the link to the instructions page and read the instructions carefully, then download the Microsoft Word template. Open the template file in Microsoft Word. In the title box, type or paste in the title and ensure it is given the style Abstract Title. In the author box, type or paste in the name of the authors. The authors, in our example, work at different institutions, so we give them separate superscripted numbers. J.A. Dashwood is the corresponding author, so we mark him with an asterisk and remove any excess numbers. Type or paste the author's contact details in the address boxes, making sure that the numbers match those in the author list above. Now, type or paste the text of the abstract into the template. The section heading should be given the style section heading, and the main text given the style body text. Insert any figures at this stage. Finally, ensure the references are correctly styled references and that journal titles are in italic style and the volume numbers in bold, and save any documents to your hard drive. This is the end of the abstract preparation tutorial.